Hey there, fellow investors. If you're trying to pick between ETRADE and TD Ameritrade for your trading needs in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down these two popular platforms to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. First off, both ETRADE and TD Ameritrade offer commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options, which is a huge win in today's market. But where they differ is in their user interfaces. ETRADE boasts a sleek, intuitive app that's perfect for beginners and busy professionals. It's got easy-to-use tools for tracking your portfolio and placing trades on the go. On the other hand, TD Ameritrade shines with its advanced research tools and thinkorswim platform, which is a favorite among experienced traders for its in-depth charts, technical analysis, and customizable dashboards. Now, let's talk fees. Both platforms have eliminated most trading commissions, but ETRADE might edge out with lower costs on mutual funds and some options trades. TD Ameritrade, however, offers more robust educational resources, including webinars and articles that can help you level up your investing game. If customer service is your priority, TD Ameritrade generally gets high marks for responsive support, while ETRADE SI-powered chat can be a quick fix for simple questions. In terms of investment options, both cover the basics like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, but TD Ameritrade has a slight lead in futures and forex trading. Looking ahead to 2025, with potential advancements in AI-driven insights, ETRADE might appeal more to tech-savvy users, while TD Ameritrade's integration with Charles Schwab could mean even more resources at your fingertips. So, which one should you choose? If you're a beginner or value simplicity, go with ETRADE for its user-friendly experience. But if you're an active trader who craves in-depth tools, TD Ameritrade is probably your best bet. Remember, the right platform depends on your goals. Test them out with demo accounts first. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if this helped. See you in the next video.